Hey everybody, it's Hailey. Today is, I believe, the 17th day of the pumpkin challenge, and we're gonna make edible pumpkin cookie dough, which is gonna be super easy, so let's get started. First, I have 3/4 cup of brown sugar here. Woo! 1 stick or 1/2 cup of butter that is soft. 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 1/3 cups of flour, but we're gonna heat treat this, so I'm gonna stick it in the microwave for 30 to 60 seconds. I don't know if I said this at the beginning. We're making edible pumpkin cookie dough. And the reason you're not really supposed to eat normal cookie dough is because of the eggs, because they're raw, and because the flour is actually also raw. The flour can contain bacteria unless you cook it to heat treat it. And something I always do if I heat treat my flour is sift it, because it gets really hot and it gets clumpy for some reason, and so it's really weird if you don't sift it. So please sift it, but if you can't, just try to break up the clumps. All right, then I'm just gonna stick this on my mixer and mix it up. Super easy. And then if you want, you can also add 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. All right, time to serve it up. Whoa! Okay, I'm just gonna have a little bit. I don't need a full container of it, but it looks so good. Perfect. Tastes like pumpkin, tastes like pumpkin spice, tastes like cookie dough. I mean, yeah. That is so good. I got this recipe from Nicole the Nomad. I'll also have all the ingredients in the description box below. And now it's time to choose tomorrow's dessert. We don't have many choices left. We've got pumpkin mousse as the next thing. If you don't want to miss that video, make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.